everyone and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this Romanian cord, perfect for many projects. For today's Romanian cord, I will be using this macrame cord and it is 4 millimeters, but you can use 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters, and of course you can use yarn as well. It's up to you. Also, you will need the hook. I will be using 5 millimeters hook and the pair of scissors. First, we are going to start with the slip knot. Hold your yarn end or cord end like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook. And this is your slip knot. Next, we are going to chain 2. Yarn over and pull through the loop you had on your hook. Do not make it too tight. And one more, yarn over and pull through like so. So this is your chain of 2. Next, we are going to work single crochet into this very first chain here. Insert like so, yarn over and pull through like so. Bring it up a little bit. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and finish your single crochet. Yarn over and pull through both loops like so. Next, you are going to turn your work like so. Now we'll be working under this loop here. So it's a side loop. When we done single crochet here, this is the loop, and when you turn it this way, it will be on the side. So we can call it side loop. And we will work single crochet like so. So we done single crochet here into this very first chain, and then we turn our work like so. So we have this vertical loop here. Now you are going to insert your hook like so and work single crochet. So yarn over, pull through this first loop like so. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops like so. Now you are going to turn your work again like this, but this time you will have 2 loops, 2 side loops. So these 2 loops will go like so. And now, from now on, you'll be always working under these 2 side loops. 1 and 2. So you will do exactly the same, but from now on you'll be always working under these 2 side loops. So insert your hook like so. Yarn or pull through these 2 loops like this, and yarn over and finish your single crochet. So yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. to finish your single crochet. And you will always work like so. So you will turn your work and you can see you have these 2 side loops again, and you will be working like so for the length you need for your project. So again, work under these 2 vertical loops, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, finish your single crochet like so. Turn your work and continue. And to finish the cord, once you are done, you will simply chain 1 like this and fasten off. So you will cut this yarn or cord and you will simply fasten off as normal, and then you will just hide the end inside your cord. I'm not going to fasten off because I need to reuse this cord for different projects. So continue for the length you need. And you can use this cord for many projects. I used it for the belts, handles, bracelets, and many others. So I really love this cord. And that's how you are going to continue working on your cord for the length you need. So you can use any yarn you like or the cords. This is 4 millimeters. You can use 2 or 3 or even bigger. So the bigger or the thicker yarn you get, the bigger your cord will get as well. Also, if you are working with the cord, it's very difficult to hide the end with the yarn needle. So you can use a smaller hook and go somewhere from the inside like this. For example, this is 3 millimeters hook, and you will just go from the inside and grab the end once you fasten off like this, and you will simply just pull it inside your cord like this. Okay, so this is my favorite trick to do when I work with the thick cord like this, because it's really big struggle with the needles. And this is it. This is our beautiful Romanian cord. And it's very simple and beautiful. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia, and please don't forget to find me on social medias. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching.